Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the Discover Florida YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Canva. This is Chris Armstrong. I'm a realtor here in Central Florida, and how I use Canva in my day-to-day use for posting about listings or other things that I like to market. So this is 101, so I would give this one a 1 out of 5 stars on easiness. Super simple, guys. So let's go ahead and go in here to Canva. So this is what you're going to see. There's a lot going on here, and there's a lot stuff. There's even training videos and a lot of stuff to deep dive into Canva. But for today, we're going to do a quick little, I just recently toured a model and I want to get it out there on social media. So I'm going to go to Create Design. I'm going to hit the 1920 by 1080p, which I've already designated in there. And these are templates. This is kind of like your base of your picture. So, and I already have one picked out. And as you can see right here, there it is. Now, the reason I like this one is I love this outline of all this stuff going on. It brings some eyes, brings some attention to your post. And remember, in Canva, all these are elements. So you can move these around, anything you want to do. You have total control over these Canva pictures. But we don't need all this, right? So we're going to just click on, this is an element, this is an element, that is an element. You can click on those and hit the trash can. So let's go ahead and clean up this Canva. Remember, every time everything is outlined, like you see, every time I click on it, then that's when you're controlling the one element. And so just keep that in mind when you hear the word element when you're working with Canva. Okay, so there's our base base graphic. So I love these outside edges, and that's why we're going to use this one. Now we're going to go to my uploads, and as you can see, these pictures are, I've used these before and I've uploaded them. These are in your personal library. So there's the model. So you just one click on it, and as you can see, anytime you see these tabs like that, means you can resize. And let's fill it pretty much to the edges. I like the little bit of the border. Okay, so there's my basic picture ready to go. But hey, let's add some more elements, right? So next thing I'm going to do is I took a picture of my yard sign and ran it through Remove.bg in my browser and got rid of the background. So click onto that, give it a little twist, and plant it in the ground. Piece of cake. And next, how about a picture of myself? We don't want to be secret agents, do we? So there's me, and size it the way you want it. Put it right about there. Okay, now we're getting like a little kind of a listing presentation picture, right? Looks great. So next I can add some text, and that's going to give you another full library of all kinds of text. So let's say this is a new model. I'm going to click on this cursive one. I'm going to click on the element, and of course these are all your controlling aspects to the element. We're going to of course click on the palette and change the color, and the element underneath, there's some writing there. I don't want that, so I'll delete that. And then right here, then we can put in new model. And then if you don't like it sideways, you can slap it up like that, and then we can make it a little bigger, and then just size it up. How easy is that? Simple. Now and also you can grab this business card looking thing right here, click on that, and then like I said before, click on the palette, change the number, click on the element, go up to the palette, change the color, size it, change the wording to whatever your name is, whatever you want to do, right? And now you're building. It's great. You can click on this. There's also different element effects you can use. Give it a little bit of a border. There's going to be lots of different things that you can do. So just deep dive into Canva and enjoy it, and that is it. Perfectly easy. Now, for people who stuck around, a little bonus, I'm going to show you how Remove.bg works and how to add that in to your into your project. So you're going to go over here to Remove.bg. This is what it looks like, Remove.bg, and hit upload. And as you can see, I recently done a duck or a bird in my neighborhood. You're going to go to your library, click on the picture that you want to use, and what it's going to do, it's going to run it through its process and take away the background. Now you're going to download that, and then you can go back to Canva and take that download, and all you're doing is going to pull it right in, which I've already done. I did that before, and let it load, and then click on it, and now you can incorporate your duck. You might have a watermark or whatever you want to do. You know, I can put a little duck in the picture. So that's how I did my sign. I went and took a picture of my sign out that side, ran it through Remove.bg, got rid of the background so I could use that in my pictures. So a lot of fun. Now if you make a mistake, you have the arrows, the good old arrows, front and back. So you can go all the way back, just keep on clicking, find where you made that mistake, and there we go. You go back to right where you started. Okay, so now for some extra fun, I'm going to show you all a fun little thing you can do. Now remember the images that I took of my model, I ran my picture of that model through Remove.bg, and so I'll add that here. So what it did was it removed the sky in the background. So I'll size that up, and so now I have a kind of a green screen effect for that picture. So let's go over here to video, and I have a great little fireworks video right here, and size that up all the way, and there we go. Now of course this is in front of the house, right? So you're going to click on this and go to this position tab. Now on this position tab I can move basically that picture behind the house picture. So let's move it backwards. And as you can see now, I have that image and I have the video now running behind the picture. So, and to make that happen, you have to remove part of that picture to get that full effect, which was the sky. So that's something else I did, and all I did was run that same image of that model home, and I put it, now I put the fireworks behind it, and now you have a fun little picture like that. So that really brings attention to your post, and that could be pictures of fireworks or the sky or whatever you want to do. So if you took a picture of the house on a cloudy day, you can take away that clouds and you can add a sunny sunset picture, whatever you'd like to do. So anyway, that's a little extra credit for that on Canva. So everybody, please subscribe to my channel, Discover Florida, and I will see everybody soon. Have a great day.